We are not done with the Burmese python. Now, this is one of the largest species of snake in the world, though not the biggest. This species doesn't kill using venom. Instead, it uses backwards pointing teeth to seize prey, and then it constricts its prey. Like all snakes, they can swallow prey up to 5 times as wide as their head. And now it's time for a break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. Burmese pythons can reach 23 feet in length and can weigh up to 200 pounds. Young pythons don't spend much time on the ground. Instead, they stick to the trees. This helps them to keep away from predators. Now, they are great swimmers and can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes. The females lay a clutch of 100 eggs. Burmese pythons are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red Book website. These snakes can live for 20 to 30 years, and males can breed at 9 feet and females can breed also at 9 feet. They breed in early spring. In March or April, the females can lay up to 100 eggs, but the average clutch size is around 35. The mothers will stay with the eggs until they hatch. She is so devoted to the eggs that she will not eat while she's with them. And she incubates the eggs, by the way. Once they hatch, the mother's instinct to guard her babies is gone. Tigers and leopards are known to feed on adults. Other predators include birds, hyenas, frogs, spiders, king cobras, and other snakes. Time for me to say, see you in the next one.